So here so how many employees we have?
4 employees.
Yes. 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 Yes.
then. So this is the table which is having our employees information. Now next we want to implement the which information. So employee number, person name. Next date of birth. Okay, I need to require the date of birth also. Then the date of birth is available in what is the column? So we have a direct column is there, date of birth, right? Then this is the date of birth of that employee. So here if you want to apply the to care. So it is giving a proper date of birth. And next, which information? Job information. So where the job information is available? Still the people does not follow the standards. Who are not follow the standards are the stupid fellows. I don't want to say any use another words. What is the table? Per jobs here. In that, so we can go to use the per jobs. Per jobs is also table. So what is the link? What is the link between these two tables? Listen carefully. Here we have a table, right? Here we have a one more table, per jobs and for all people F. Okay, fine, not a problem. Here in that for all people F, we have a person ID. We have a person ID, but we don't have the job ID. Have you find out this here? So then if you go to search into the per jobs, sometimes it is getting that problem. You should go to check it one by one. Okay, then here you can check it. Have you find out the person ID? That's observe this one. Now I open this table and will be check it. Have you find out the person ID? Here we don't have. So how we can go to find out? For all assignments F. That is the table. Already I told you, whenever we are going to assign the job and position, the respected table is reflected. Without using the table, we cannot possible to generate the link. Right? For all F. F. So here we are going to generate the link. So definitely this table is having the which one? Okay, one second. For all assignments. So here which is the column is going to find out? Person ID or job ID? So here observe carefully. First of all we want to generate the job. After that we are going to generate the link to person ID to for all people F. Then here whatever it may be we can go to do that. pj dot job ID. PAAF dot job ID. The same time PAPF dot person ID. PAAF dot person ID. Yeah. So here what happened? How many records we are getting? Only one record, but how many employees are we have? So which information we want to retrieve? We want to retrieve all information from for all people F. So what we do? So here it is not coming. So what we do? Still it is not retrieve the respected person information. So how we can go to retrieve that? So here also it is not going to retrieve that information. But here the respected person, whenever we are going to introduce this for all people F, but for all people F is having the person information. So here then we can do that. We can do one thing. Let us we can go to check it whether that we are going to check in these two tables. The two tables is having the proper information. Now what we do? We are going to introduce a new table. per jobs. So here whenever we are going to introduce this table, then only data is mismatched. Okay, then here per jobs dot job ID then for all assignments of dot job ID. Whenever I introduce this join, then automatically we are getting the problem, right? So here we are going to apply the outer joins. So which joins we want to retrieve? Now we can go to add your tables, right? So here I want to retrieve the job name. What is the job name? Which is the column? Find out or not? Yes, the next job number, job ID as a job number. This respected employee have the job?
Yes.
No. Have you get the records or not? Then same manner you can go to add the positions and business groups. Have you get the data or not? So why you are going to taking that much of time? How much time it is going to complete it to this query? 5 minutes. Next, position table is, what is the position table? For all? Then, whenever a new table is added, then we want to add to the join dot position ID. What happened? Here also it doesn't have the positions. Clear? The next we want to add the columns. Position number, position name. And next we can go to, what are the columns we have? Business group. So for that purpose we can use either per business groups or else HR all organization units, whatever it may be, both are same. Clear? So what is the column name? Completed? So this is the way we are going to develop the query. Then person type ID. Okay. So here the respected person doesn't have shows the employee. We have a person type ID, right? So we have a one more table. What is the table? Per person types. Then in this table, what is the person type? User person type. Completed? Is there any missing column? So this is the way we are going to develop the query. Hardly it is taking 10 minutes. Your way of your approaching is very wrong. So already I explained the same scenario in executable. Same, I didn't change anything here.